Okay, good day everyone. Thank you for coming into this YouTube channel Trade Live with Precise Trader. Today is 22nd of September and US session, and today we're going to do a focus trading. Okay, before we move forward, to take note of the risk disclosure. Day trading in foreign exchange is risky. Past results are not indicative of future returns. The content on this webinar is mainly educational purpose. Use your information entirely at your own risk, and you must assess the risk of your trade with your broker before you put in your trades. So with that, we move on to our live trades and analysis. Okay, there is no data out tonight. In fact, I think the FOMC member is giving a talk. Apart from that, we don't have any other data for today. Tomorrow we have BOJ bank holiday, and we also have a flash PMI from Euro, Pound, and US, and also from the US Richmond Manufacturing Index. Then on Wednesday we have early in the morning, 12:30 midnight, we have this is Singapore time. Okay, we have a Fed chairman giving a talk. Then we have Aussie CPI, and on that the same day we have from the US new home sales. Then Thursday we have Swiss interest rate announcement. Forecast is 0 and previous was also 0, and followed by the US GDP and unemployment claims, durable goods orders, and final GDP and existing home sales. Then Friday we have Canadian GDP month on month, and US core PCI price index, and revised UOM consumer sentiment from the US. So overall, I think this whole week the most important data is we have the Swiss interest rate announcement, US GDP, then we have US PCE price index, and the Fed chairman giving a talk. So all these are important data to digest. So with that, we move on to our live trades. So we have right now we have taken 2 trades. Just entered buying gold euro and gold US at 21. So we are quite bullish on the gold. In fact, this morning we did publish the report saying that the price is we are expecting the price to be bullish for today until this end of the week. Okay, so we are expecting the price target towards 3750 and 3800 or higher for the gold US. So right now it was making profit, but right now we have it getting a pullback. So let's look into this two first, then before we move forward. So let's look at the gold US and the gold euro. Then we decide how to place the trade. So looking at this, we feel okay right now. Okay, there is a probable that a temporary high may be seen at probable there may be a temporary high seen at 37.28, and right now we are seeing some correction. So if that is the case, I think we are holding a hold on, let me cancel all the orders first, so at least we don't get caught. Okay, so now so let's see, we are seeing the price weakness because of this market made a temporary high on the hourly. So if you look at the 15-minute, so we were expecting the price to move up, so looks like the price has turned down, so now is expected to break lower. So if that is the case, then I suggest we'll try to close our trades. Okay, let's quickly close it. Then I think we'll try to go for a sell. Okay, let me try to close it. Okay, then this one also, I think we will try to close at 50. Okay, so let's try to close it, and let's see, let's do our work, then we get back. Okay, get back on track. So looking at this, let's go back to the gold US. Okay, now the signals are a bit mixed. Okay, looks like we may have seen a temporary high at this level. So now what we do is, of course, if we look on the 15 minute, this market was down, then is right now this is pulling back. So now what we will do is we'll try to go for a sell. This is going to be a cautious sell, because we are not sure whether this is the high, but actually this price is expected to go higher. But the only thing is, since market today is being Monday, so we'll just go for a cautious buy, cautious sell with this high. But of course we don't want to go too aggressive on this. Okay, then we should be exiting before 3706. So let's go for a sell. Okay, so fast. Okay, we'll try to sell at 21. Okay, 21 with the stop at 26 half. Okay, let's put in this trade first, then we'll put a stop later. Okay, the same thing, the euro, we'll try to sell at 60 with the stop at 66. Okay, just a small portion, so we are not that greedy. Okay, 3160 and 66. Okay, expiry will give about 1 hour. Okay, so the gold US, we will put a stop at 28 was the previous the current day high. So we'll try to put at 28. Okay, so as far as the TP is concerned, we need to work this level. Okay, actually the TP, we are not expecting a very big move. It's just a shallow pullback. So then we'll try to exit with a small profit. So looking at this chart, so the TP wise, I think we should be exiting at 12 or slightly lower, which is 37,808. Okay, 08. Okay, so we will put it as 12. Then after that, I think we will go for a buy. Buy and hold near 3708 or slightly lower. Okay, so then the gold euro, the TP, I want to exit at 40, either 50 or 45. Okay, 50 or 45, and that should be your extension of this level. So it says about 40, 48 and 46. So probably for this we can put at 46. Okay, so we have put in this true, but of course, like as I told you, this has to be a bit cautious, because market is still showing strength, and we are just, this trade is just going to be a hit and run trade, and if lower, then we definitely we want to go for buy and hold. So let's we don't want to go at it anymore aggressive. Let's try to clear this too first. So while we are waiting for this market to move. Okay, while we are waiting for this trade, so I just want to share with you the report, so at least you can get some ideas on the report for those of you who are using um, this trading view. You can afford to take this. So this report was generated about 10 hours ago, okay, which was like uh, in the morning Singapore time. So basically this is we are trying to give for market insight two kinds of view. One is a macro view, which means that we use the weekly and daily time frame chart to do the projection. Then one is a micro view, which is we use hourly and 15-minute to take trade decision. Okay, so the gold US on the macro view, on the weekly and daily. So this is the weekly is saying that the price is trading is in an uptrend, and while above 3580, and in conjunction up on the daily while above 3630. So the price target we are expecting is 3730, 376080, 3835 by the end of the month, provided the 3645 and 3628 holds on the weekly. So I think today's high is 20 okay, I'm not sure what is the price. I think it's 27. So it's about 3727. So we were expecting 3730. So the 27 was the high. So then the key level to take note is, break of 3708 is needed for further upside. Until then, otherwise, we may see a consolidation within this range. Then the micro view of for gold US is, micro view is basically we use the hourly and 15-minute time frame chart to look and get the information. So this is gold US in uptrend on the hourly and 15-minute time frames with synchronized momentum. Okay, meaning to say that both the 15-minute and the hourly are moving in the same direction. Then we have a price target. Okay, synchronized. So the price target, we said once the price breaks that 3707, this could extend the rally towards 3735, 3755 and 3805. And support levels, any pullback, this is what we were looking on the hourly and 15-minute. So alternate scenario, if the low breaks, 3666 breaks, and the high holds, then the uptrend may be delayed. That means, what we are saying is, in the event if the breaks the low, then this high holds, then we expect the price to move lower. So that's what we meant by the uptrend may be delayed or postponed. Then as far as the sentiment and timing is concerned, okay, expect a choppy and congested trading within 36.95 to 37.07 on the high side, and on the low side is 3676 and 366 until 18 hours SGD. But in fact, we were expecting this market to be in a congestion, but the market broke out the high, which is 3707, much earlier than anticipated. Okay, meaning to say that this is before the Europe session came, the breakout happened. So then we are also talking about all the crosses against gold. That means gold euro, gold pound, gold yen, gold Swiss, gold Aussie, gold CAD, gold New Zealand, and gold Sing. So all this we have given a target, and most likely all this, I think the first target is seen. Okay, most likely we may have seen the thing, but of course we have to pay attention to the break of that previous high, which is needed for us to see the price hitting the target. So then we also give a trading tip, which is a cautious buy. This is gave in the morning, but I think this order did not failed and did not drop to that level. Ever since the market opened, the market started moving up. So we were trying to take some trades. We did take, and we just exited with a small profit. So right now, okay, we are back. Okay, now we are seeing this market is responding to our call, and our price target we are looking is either 12 or lower than this level, which can be extension of this level, which is 3705 and 3701 or 02. So we'll wait for the next 6 hours. Market is expected to be in a range and a quiet session, because actually we were expecting this trend to be now in the US session, but since the strength has already happened before the Europe session, now we are seeing some pullback and some corrections. Okay, so let's wait to see whether we are taking. So once this, then the next one is probably we can go for a buy at 3695. So go for a buy and hold, or if we buy at 3690, then we need to exit before 3703. Okay, so we can go for a buy. Okay, day trade. Three six nine zero 3684 3703. Okay, this is a day buy. Okay, so this is a new order which we are looking for. Okay, so then we are seeing the price moving lower. I think we only have another $2-3. Okay, right now we have 10 minutes left on the time belt, so let's see whether the price is showing weakness or is going to get stable somewhere near this level. Okay, so now let's see the gold euro. So the target, we should be exiting either at 50 50 or 40, 43, 43, 44. So we are put in as 46. So we may want to uh, raise it to 50. Okay, so okay, let's see. The market is a bit quiet now, and let's try to take this profit first. Then okay, so this is 50. Okay, 52. Okay, 52, 53. I think that should be the level. Okay, I think we are seeing this the next one for the gold euro buy. Okay, we look at 46. That should be good, and exit at 52 or 56. Okay, 52 or 56. Okay, so this is, okay, we'll put it as somewhere in between, so probably about $8. Okay, so now I think just now it was coming off. Now looks like market is heading higher. So now the only thing I want to do is the stop loss, I want to bring it down. Okay, so only this two, I think the levels, I think just now we were making about $200. I think now is quickly this market has reversed, and right now we just have to see. I think we don't want to go in more trades because today being Monday, first day, is a bit difficult. At the same time, uh, like yesterday was like Friday. Friday. Hold on. So the target, this target is expected. I mean, the price is expected to move for this whole week until this weekend, because the overall the trend is the time control is still on the monthly and the quarterly, so the strength is still expected. So now we are just trying to play the game cautious, just a down move, and we want to go for buy and hold. The same manner for the gold Aussie. we're looking to buy looking to buy at 5605 and 5625. Okay, so this one I think we will just change it to 5605, stop 5598 and 5625. Okay, expiry we can put 2 to 3 hours from now. Okay, so I think we are also trying to sell euro at 11825, and we are also trying to sell euro yen at 17440. Okay, so I think that's about it. Market looks a bit choppy and a bit range trading, so I think we'll just go slow today, and we don't want to get ourselves caught unnecessarily. So here now, looking at this, market is in a range. Okay, so if this low breaks, then probably we may see the price extending towards the 37, then again price bouncing back. Okay, so I think there's not much we can look. Okay, we just have to wait for these two trades and see. Then I think we just want to go slow, and we don't want to um, get ourselves caught and lose money because it's still actually the market sentiment is still up, but now it is showing a correction. So that's why we are going on the direction of the correction. So of course there might be the correction is over, then we may see the price heading north, testing the highs, but we just have to wait and see and give some time, so that at least then we can be pretty sure on that. So until then, we are not we just want to play the game in a very slow and steady. Okay. Okay, thank you very much. Any questions? Okay, if you have any questions, you ask. Otherwise, because market is very quiet. Okay, we don't want to get ourselves caught unnecessarily. Okay, let's look at the chart one last time before we so now you see this market is hourly. This is in a trading range between 3712 and 372526 level. Okay, so right now this is in consolidation. So now this 1 hour is going to finish now, so we are going to get a new 1 hour candle starts somewhere here. So as long as it doesn't break that high and it doesn't break this low, then this is expected to be in a range. Okay. Okay, I think that's about it. So I'll see you all again tomorrow. But for those of you who are using TradingView, so if you probable, you just try to get this the posting, try to uh, get get it followed, so at least whenever when we make the report, okay, you can get updated on your site. Okay, so let's wait to see whether it breaks this high. If this is high, then we are wrong, and I think now we are going to see a very tight range. Okay. Okay, I think that's about it. Thank you very much, and I'll see you all again tomorrow. Hopefully, tomorrow we get more volume, and I think tomorrow we have a US data. Let me double check. Yeah, tomorrow we have data. We have a flash PMI and Richmond Manufacturing Index. So most likely tomorrow we might see a big move that is be seen, and we can capture that move or capitalize that move. But today is going to be a very quiet session with a mixed range bias. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Good luck, and I'll see you again tomorrow.